Shabbanuka, Shabbanuka, December 23rd, be there. On Friday night at 6 o'clock with salsa in the air. Shabbanuka, Shabbanuka, at 7:15 we'll eat. With songs and latkes we'll light the lights to make the night complete. Come celebrate with your entire family a hot, hot, hot salsa Shabbanuka. Miami's finest Latin musicians will join our clergy to celebrate the fourth night of Hanukkah and the official dedication of our new sanctuary. So bring a little dreidel and a menorah from your home. Prepare to celebrate Hanukkah at Temple Beth Shalom. Shabbanuka is awesome.